Hi lovers of good things, compliment of the season. Have you added this recipe to your food list for this Christmas? If you have not, stay tuned to this video and see how it goes so that you go and add this to it right now because you need this delicious recipe.
Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I make my plantain and catfish pepper soup. Yes, plantain and catfish pepper soup. If you have not tried this recipe, please do stay tuned to this video and see how it goes. And this recipe is very easy and so delicious. Before we go ahead, I would like to show you the other ingredient that is not here, which is my ishaki is already on the fire. Like you can see, it has been washed and I just added only salt to it. We'll allow the ishaki to done while we go ahead to introduce all the rest ingredients. So we have our plantain. I decided to use ripe and unripe plantain for this recipe. This is what I'm going to be using, two, which is 4 pieces. This is called burning pepper with the seed and everything. So this is red pepper. I will keep it outside. And this is the pepper soup spicy. This one is very raw and fresh. As you can see how fresh and raw it's looking. So this is my pepper soup spicy. And this is my onions. I have my onions, and which I have my 2 Maggi cube here. I also have this, which I don't know what it's called because my mom always uses it in her pepper soup. I love the aroma and it's very good anyway because you just put it, later you just throw away throw it away because what you need is just the aroma, and it will just wash into the pepper soup. You are okay like that. Aroma, you can also use it to parboil your meat as well. This is garlic. I have fresh garlic, but I don't want to use that fresh one. I decided to just add a little from this one. Yes, I'll be using a little garlic from this because I love the aroma of garlic in all my food. I have this celery leaf. I decided to add this celery leaf because I will use it to cool off the pepper soup spicy because of my little angel that will be eating from this pepper soup. Main ingredients are catfish. Yes, I have my catfish here, which have been washed and well prepared. So this catfish, if you want a video of how to wash catfish, please do let me know. Hot water to remove it, and this is really looking, this is my salt. This is the few ingredients we are going to be using for this sweet and delicious recipe. Please do stay tuned to this video, don't go anywhere so that you know how it goes. And for my old and new subscribers, you guys are awesome, amazing people in the world. Thank you for always supporting Ladyzion. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Always remember to like my video, share it in any social media you operate. It will be a lot of help to this channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in. Enjoy the rest of this video with love, peace, and joy. You can see my plantain is washed and peeled already. You can see the ishaki is cooked. So I'll go ahead and add more water. So, onions. So we are going to leave this ripe one for these ones to cook for some minutes. Add the ripe plantain. So at this time I will add my pepper. We'll allow this to cook for some minutes. Then we'll go ahead adding the leaves, the celery leaf and the ripe plantain. Oh my word. So this has been cooking for some minutes now, and let's see how far. It's not done yet, but it's almost. Now I will add my ripe plantain. So at this time I will also add my leaf. You can add utazi leaf, you can also add scent leaf and every other leaf of your choice, but I decided to add this fresh leaf. Guys, we'll cover it for just 5 minutes more. We are done with our cooking. Stay tuned. Everything is still intact. If you have not tried this recipe, go and try it and you are going to love it. Like, wow. So if you love this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Make sure you put on the notification bell so that you don't miss my video. Please don't hesitate to share my video. I would so much appreciate it. Everything is well cooked. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.